Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today we'll be talking about biology. Now guys, I want to talk to you about biology, but before I talk to you about biology and all that fun stuff, make sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to tickle that little notification button so you always get notified when I upload or release a video. So let's jump right to it. So guys, another thing I want to tell you guys is that we must first know the use of biology before knowing the definition of biology. I told you many times. Do you remember listening to my chemistry video? If you didn't, go check it out. And so when I told you what chemistry is, I told you the use of chemistry before telling you the definition of chemistry. That's because you must first know the use of a subject before knowing the definition of a subject. So I'm gonna tell you the use of biology first, and then I'll tell you the definition of biology. Now, biology is useful for foods and beverages. People consume biological products both to survive and for enjoyment. Clothing and textiles, the second. People wear clothing made from biological substances. The third one is beauty and personal care. The fourth, transportation and leisure. The fifth is buildings. The sixth is fuels. And the last one and the seventh one is healthcare and medicines. Now guys, this is what it's essential for. So I want to tell you the definition of biology. But guys, are you sure? Are you subscribing? If not, please subscribe. And now let's get to it. Biology is the branch of science that deals with living organisms and their vital processes. Biology encompasses diverse fields including botany, conversations, ecology, evolution, genetics, marine biology, medicines, microbiology, physical biology, and zoology. These are a lot of biologies. Yeah, now I want to tell you what ecology is. I'll tell some of the types of biologies, and let me tell you the definition of ecology. The scientific study of the relationships between plants and their environment is called ecology. I want to make it short for you guys. And zoology is a scientific studies that various species. It discovers their behavior, structure, classifications, distributions, things like that. Now, botany deals with the scientific study of various aspects of plants, such as their structure, physical ecology, physiology, ecology, and genetics. Okay, let me tell you what genetics is. Genetics is a field of biology that may be especially concerned with investigations of one kind of living things for another. Now, this is what I mean by some types. You know some types of DNA. But I want to tell you guys something specific that I didn't tell you all the types of biology. I'll tell you in a later course, in another video of biology. But for now, this is enough. And guys, I want to tell you another thing. Another thing I want to tell you guys is DNA. Now, let me tell you a few things that I personally know of DNA before releasing this video. Yeah, because DNA, let me tell you the use of DNA. DNA is essential or useful for identifying fingerprints and it's kind of very useful for everything in life. So first things first is that the cells are made of specific types of DNA. So yeah, you can't basically live without DNA. And fun fact, if you stretched all the DNA in the human body, it will reach from Pluto back to Earth. That's a long distance. Pluto is very far away from Earth. So yeah, you have a lot of DNA and you need it to survive, and it kind of helps to identify fingerprints too. Some of you may unlock your mobile phones with your fingerprint. So without DNA, you can't basically survive. Can't use your fingerprints, and whatever. There are a lot of uses to DNA, but this is all I have for now. So guys, I want to tell you what the DNA is. But guys, before I tell you what DNA is, please comment down below. And if you guessed it right, I will feature you in another video if you commented down below. And we will also be asking some questions down in the description box below. So if you answer them right, and if you answer what DNA is right before I do, you guys will be featured in another of my videos. So make sure to share and like. By the way, down I'll ask you a comment. Make sure to like, subscribe, tickle that little notification button, and also share. So are you done? Or I'm gonna tell you the answers right about now. Come on. Okay, fine. I'll tell you. DNA is a self-replicating material that is present in nearly all living organisms as the main constituent of chromosomes. Now, guys, I want to tell you what a chromosome is, but before I do, make sure to comment down below what a chromosome is before I tell you the answers. Okay, fine, I'm waiting patiently. Done? Okay, a chromosome is a long DNA molecule with parts or all the genetic material of an organism. So that's what a chromosome is, and this is the end of this video. I hope you liked it. So I do know you liked this video, or if you like, you can like it. If you don't like it, you can dislike it. Whatever you guys want, you can do whatever you want. So make sure to, I will be asking some questions down in the description below, so make sure to answer them, and I will be featuring you in another video. And make sure to like and subscribe. So guys, we love you guys very much. We love you. See you soon.